welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Preston and I'm a master barber with over 11 years experience. On my channel, I do haircut tutorials, vlogs with important information that is pertinent to our industry and product reviews. If you want to be the best barber you can be and want to stay up to date on all the new cuts and information about our industry, please consider subscribing. If you want to stay connected between videos, check out my Facebook and Instagrams. They're both Haircuts by Preston. In this video, I have 5 things that every barber should hear. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get right into it. 5 things every barber should hear. Number 1, your business is your responsibility to create and maintain. It is not the shop's owner's responsibility to put people in your chair or to keep people coming back to your chair. That also means advertising. You need to advertise for yourself. I see so many barbers and stylists sitting around the shop or the salon on their phone or whatever when they're not busy. Why aren't you advertising or watching haircut videos to learn new techniques? Everyone wants to yell that they are self-employed, but they want everybody else to do their job for them. It's not the shop owner's responsibility to make sure that you're getting better at your cuts. Yes, they should be helping you learn the stuff that you need to know, but it's not their responsibility to teach you how to cut or to build your business. Think about this. How many other jobs are going to hire you and allow you to do substandard work and sit around on your phone all day? None of them. Not that I know of anyway. So why should barbering be any different? Number 2, if you got into barbering because you thought it was easy, I'm sorry to tell you, you were wrong. There's a lot to learn. In fact, you never stop learning. Every day from now on will be a learning experience for you. Embrace it and learn to enjoy the process. You enjoy learning. Will you finally get a fade down? Yeah, most likely you will. But that doesn't mean you're not gonna have problems with them. That doesn't mean you're not gonna have times where you struggle. It's a lot of long hours staying on your feet, missing lunch, and no breaks. It's sacrificing time with your friends, and in a lot of cases, your family, because when you're a barber, you're at work when everybody else is off. It really is a love it or you're gonna hate it trade and business. You need to be able to find the balance between work and home, and sometimes that's really not an easy thing to do. Number 3, get up, dress up, and show up. What I mean by this is regardless of how you feel, you gotta get up, get motivated, and go to work. Dress up. Dress like a professional and present yourself as such. I'm not saying that you have to wear dress slacks and a tie to work every day or at all, but people will treat you how you appear. This is a professional industry, the same as doctors and attorneys. Let me ask you a question. Do you see them presenting themselves in white beater t-shirts and saying, hey man, that's dope? No, you don't. Show up. You have to be at work. That's the most important thing every day. Listen, people understand that things happen and we have to take care of them. They get it. However, this shouldn't be a weekly or even a monthly issue. I don't care how good of a cut you give if you're not there to give it. Plain and simple. Think about this. Discipline is following through with your obligations even when you don't feel like it. It takes discipline to be a successful barber. Remember that. Number 4, people will sit in your chair for many different reasons. And the same goes for people that don't sit in your chair. Maybe they like the haircut. Maybe it was a conversation. Maybe they like how you smell. My point is there are many reasons why people will or will not sit in your chair. If you're having problems retaining clients, do an honest assessment of yourself and your business. If you feel like your cuts are the reason they aren't getting into your chair, work harder, watch more videos, try. Maybe your cologne was too strong. Maybe you said something that they didn't like. But whatever it is, you need to figure it out, and that starts with being honest with yourself. 2 things I recommend not talking about in the barbershop is politics and religion. Everyone has an opinion of these things, and it's not worth losing a client over them. Number 5, Don't compare your cuts to these Instagram barbers. What you don't understand, these people spend a lot of time to make their hair look that way. A lot of it's Photoshop, to be honest with you. But it's not a practical representation of real barbershop work. Those are $100 plus services if you figure the time that it takes that goes into doing them and get them ready for one picture. Now, I'm not saying to skimp on your services. Listen, take the time. Give your client the best cuts you can give them. Style their hair and make them look great, make them feel great. But don't get down on yourself because your cuts don't look like someone else's cuts that's taken hours to prepare that cut for one photo. A little bit of bonus information. Barbering is about being creative and unique. Embrace what you can learn from others and throw the rest away. If y'all like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe. Also, if you would share my videos, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you watching my videos. Until next time, I'm Preston. Peace out.